Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of leftover jar sauces. Get ready for 5 incredible recipes that will make your taste buds dance. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. First up, we're giving that lonely Alfredo sauce a new life. We're talking creamy, cheesy chicken and rice casserole. Grab a baking dish and preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now here's what you'll need. 2 cooked chicken breasts, shredded, 1.5 cups of cooked rice, 1 cup of that leftover Alfredo sauce, half a cup of frozen peas, 1/4 cup of milk, and a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Mix it all up, toss it in the baking dish, and bake for about 20 minutes or until it's bubbly and golden brown. Trust me, this casserole is a game changer. Don't even think about tossing that leftover spaghetti sauce. We're making an insanely easy one-pot pasta that's bursting with flavor. This is perfect for those nights when you need dinner on the table fast. Here's the deal. Brown 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot. Then add 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and cook until fragrant. Pour in your leftover spaghetti sauce, about 2 cups of water, and a pound of your favorite pasta. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 15 minutes or until the pasta is cooked through. Top it with Parmesan cheese and fresh basil. Boom! Dinner is served. Alright, let's talk about leftover marinara sauce. We're ditching the pasta and going full-on flavor town with cheesy pizza quesadillas. These are so good you'll be making them even without leftover sauce. Grab your favorite tortillas and lay them flat. Spread a thin layer of that delicious marinara sauce on 1/2 of each tortilla. Then, sprinkle on your favorite pizza toppings. I'm going with pepperoni, sausage, and mushrooms. Finally, load it up with mozzarella cheese and fold the tortillas in half. Cook the quesadillas over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown and the cheese is melted and gooey. Slice them up and get ready for a flavor explosion. Sweet and sour sauce? More like sweet and sour success. We're turning that leftover sauce into crispy chicken lettuce wraps that will blow your mind. This recipe is all about fresh flavors and satisfying textures. First, cut boneless, skinless chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, whisk together 1 egg, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Dredge the chicken pieces in the egg mixture, then coat them in breadcrumbs. Heat some vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the chicken pieces for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they're golden brown and cooked through. Toss the cooked chicken in your leftover sweet and sour sauce until it's nicely coated. Serve it up in crisp lettuce cups with your favorite toppings like chopped green onions, sesame seeds, and a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for a little kick. Last but not least, let's give that leftover bean sauce the love it deserves with flavor-packed burrito bowls. These bowls are customizable, easy to make, and seriously satisfying. Grab your favorite rice, I'm using brown rice today, and cook it according to package directions. While the rice is cooking, warm up your leftover bean sauce in a saucepan. Now let's build our bowls. Start with a base of rice, then top it with a generous scoop of that warm bean sauce. Add your favorite burrito bowl toppings. I'm going with salsa, shredded cheese, sour cream, guacamole, and some fresh cilantro. Mix it all up and enjoy a fiesta in every bite. There you have it, guys. 5 epic recipes that prove you can conquer those leftover sauces like a culinary champion. No more wasted food, just deliciousness in every bite. Make sure to try these recipes out and let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome food hacks and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to join the Clean Plate Club. See you in the next video.